Your bedroom might offer convenience by day, but there's a chance it has a different impact at night. The most important activity that takes place in your bedroom, however, is sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, your brain and body don't get a chance to rest, recharge, and carry out the essential processes that keep you functioning as you should. Even if all you do is sleep in your bedroom, you still spend about a third of each day there. A hot, bright, cluttered room can disrupt your sleep. You also keep your computer and phone close at hand, since you never know when you might need them. You try to avoid looking at them after you turn off the lights, but your resolve doesn't always stick, especially when you have trouble falling asleep. But, here's the good news. Updating your bedroom can help you get better sleep, which can, in turn, improve overall well-being. Tips for creating your ideal sleep oasis. The amount of time you spend sleeping matters, yes, but so does the quality of that sleep. If you spend 4 of your 8 hours in bed tossing and turning, you might feel very rested the next day. Making a few changes can help you create a more comfortable sleep environment. Number 1. Light. Bright blue light, be it from the sun or electronics, can disrupt sleep. Putting down your devices, using blackout curtains, and using very dim lights at night can improve your rest. Number 2. Temperature. A cooler room and bed can reduce nighttime sweating and improve sleep. Aim to keep your bedroom thermostat set to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, give or take a few degrees. Number 3. Tidiness. For better sleep, try tidying up and making your bed each day. Number 4. Pets. If you're unable to get good sleep with a restless pet, consider keeping them off the bed. Number 5. Upgrade your bedding. If your bedding is old, worn out, or in a state that prevents you from maintaining an ideal sleep, you may not feel great in bed. Number 6. Sheets. And comforter. Look for natural fabrics, including cotton, silk, bamboo, or linen, if you sleep on the warmer side. Number 7. Pillows. The place you rest your head matters, and the wrong pillow can keep you up at night. You treat your head with care during the day, so it makes sense that you'd want to give it the same consideration while you sleep. Number 8. Mattress. An old mattress, or the wrong one for your sleeping position, can contribute to nighttime pain and discomfort. Trusted source. While you might think you'd get the best sleep on the softest mattress, but research suggests a medium-firm mattress is a good option for most people looking to improve sleep quality and comfort. Number 9. Don't let the sunshine, or light from your devices, in. Natural light has plenty of benefits. But will sleeping any bright light can disrupt your circadian rhythm and impact your levels of melatonin, the hormone that helps you feel tired and signals bedtime. Number 11. Sleep masks. Can't block out all the light? A sleep mask can help save your shut-eye. Sleep masks infused with lavender may even help you relax at the same time. Number 12. Swap distracting sounds for soothing ones. Noises from outside your bedroom, or a snoring partner next to you. If you're a light sleeper, you probably know just how much small sounds can disrupt your sleep. Sound solutions, such as earplugs, white noise machines, or sleep headphones, can help you get back to snoozing instead of tossing. Number 13. Consider new sleepwear. You might not put quite as much thought into your pajamas as you do with the clothes you wear each day, but your sleepwear still deserves some consideration. The best pajamas should feel soft on your skin, and they should be warm enough to keep you cozy, but breathable enough to keep you cool and dry. You may not spend many of your waking hours in your bedroom. Sleep renews you and prepares you for another day, and you're more likely to get the quality, restorative rest you need in a calm, clean environment. Did this video help you? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Also, keep in mind subscribing to our channel to stay tuned with upcoming mysterious videos every week.